This tutorial will discuss the end-user workflow for Summit and HL7 messages. To begin, open the Summit software. To show the HL7 messages, click on Edit, CAD-Link Setup, select Appointments Mode, then press OK. If the workstation is connected to a CAD-Link server with the HL7 module licensed, the new Patients tab will become the Appointments tab, and Summit will display the appointments waiting to be started. Please keep in mind it may take up to 5 minutes for new messages to appear in Summit. Press the refresh button at the bottom of the screen to update the HL7 messages. Tick the checkbox next to the refresh button to auto-refresh. Select one of the patients and begin recording a study. At this stage, proceed with the normal EMG testing routine, then generate a report when the recording has finished. The report will be generated within a Microsoft Word document. Any Word-compatible software can be used with a report. Once the report has been finalized, press Finish. Close the study and return to the Today's Patients tab. Highlight the desired patient and select the newly generated report. When the report has been selected, the Send Result button will activate and can be used to submit the document to the EMR. If the Send Result button is not available, the message you've selected may not have been started from an HL7 message. Once you click the Send Result button, a copy of the report will be sent to the EMR in either .docx or .pdf format, depending on your CAD-Link configuration. Please wait up to 5 minutes for the document to appear in the patient's EMR file. Any additional reports sent after the first will be sent as a corrected result. The Send Result button will change to a Send Corrected button. Only a single document can be sent back per patient. Any additional information can be copied into the document before it's sent back.